Hey everyone, Aaron Tremblay with MagMod here, and this week we have something a little special. We have the MagBox 24 starter kit on sale, and we also have our MagBox gels on sale. So in honor of that, I'm going to show you a quick little unboxing of the MagBox starter kit. Let's take a look at what's inside. You'll notice that when you first open the box, besides the sweet graphics you see, you're going to see this nice little foam divider, MagMod branded. Hang on to that, might come in useful for you. And then the first three things you see are the Mag Ring, the Mag Shoe, and then our 1/4-20 adapter. So I'm going to give these little black plastic handles a pull straight up and out. We're going to come back to that in just a minute. Inside the box here, I'm just going to open up these two flaps, and there it is. The MagBox 24. Let's get this box out of the way. So all of the MagBox starter kits come with their own carrying case for the MagBox. Nice little pouch here we're going to open up. Take a look inside. There it is. There's the MagBox 24. And inside there is going to be your fabric diffuser. Make sure to hang on to that. Look at that. Easy as that. One thing I want to mention if you are thinking of picking up a starter kit is you will need a mag grip for any of the flashes you plan on using with the MagBox. If you have one flash, get one mag grip. If you have two flashes, make sure to get two. The MagBox does fit two flashes, so take advantage of that space. One other thing to note about the mag grip is it will fit smaller style speed lights all the way up to something like this 8200. So it'll fit pretty much anything you got. Back to that little plastic insert. There we go. So we've got your Mag Ring, Mag Shoe, and 1/4-20 adapter. If you're wondering what that little gold screw, that 1/4-20 adapter is for, we'll get back to that in just a minute. First item out is going to be the Mag Ring. And you can see here it's got these two little flaps as well as a third one on top. Give that a little press and that will open up the doors for your flashes to go in. So I mentioned that mag grip. That pops right on there with the power of magnets. Close the little door for a little extra added security and you're good to go. Mag Ring is going to be the base to everything. This holds your flashes as well as mounts the MagBox to the front of it. And the bottom here will also slide into the Mag Shoe. Slide the Mag Ring in there, give this a little twist, and you're ready to go. Then we just pop our flashes in the back with the power of magnets. See, it holds on pretty good on its own, but we added those doors for a bit of extra security for you, so you don't have to worry about them falling out. We'll grab a light stand here. The Mag Shoe will slide onto pretty much any standard light stand you might have around. Give that a little twist to lock it into place. Then we're going to take our MagBox, give it a click to open it up. That's all it takes. For the diffuser, you'll notice that on the edges of this, there's also these little yellow tabs, and you're going to line those up with the tabs on the side of the box here. And these all connect with magnets as well. So what I like to do is start at the top and then kind of move my way around the edges. And that's it. You're set to go. Notice these satisfying little clicks. Nice. So then back to that little gold screw that's in there, we call this our 1/4-20 adapter. We just kind of throw this in as part of the kit for you. Essentially, this will go into any 1/4-20 screw. So like on the bottom of the 8200 here, you can just give that a little twist to get it into place, slide it into your Mag Shoe, lock it down, and you're ready to go. Now you can use your 8200 with the core MagMod products, like a Mag Grid, Mag Sphere, whatever else you might want. You can also use the 1/4-20 adapter to mount a lot of things, microphones, GoPros. In fact, this GoPro right up here I'm using is mounted to a Mag Shoe. We also have our MagBox gels on sale this week. You can use these inside your MagBox to quickly and easily gel your light. We have 3 different sets of MagBox gels that you can get. We have the MagBox correction gels. You would use these to correct the color of your light to match whatever is in your ambient light. You can also use them artistically to change the sky color or change your ambient light color depending on what you're going for. We also have the MagBox Creative Gels. These are bold, vibrant, punchy colors just meant to really give you a splash of color to your images. And we also have the MagBox Artistic Gels. These just offer different colors from the Creative Gels, and they're a little less dense to give you more of an artistic feel to your images. You can pop up to 2 gels in the integrated slot in the MagBox, so get funky with it. And just a reminder, if you don't already have one, you will need a mag grip for any of the flashes you use with your MagMod products. If you have more than one flash, I advise getting one for each flash. That way you don't have to take them on and off all the time. And the mag grip will fit smaller speed lights all the way up to something as huge as the 8200 from Godox, so it'll fit pretty much anything that you got. If you have any other questions about the MagBox 24 starter kit that we didn't answer here, leave us a comment down below, we'll be sure to answer you, or you can reach out to support@magnamod.com and we'll help you out there as well. Be sure to like this video and subscribe for more like it in the future, and we'll see you in the next one.